Welcome to the pulsating heart of Munich's nightlife. Join us as we unveil the city's most electrifying clubs where beats and memories collide, creating unforgettable nights of pure hedonistic bliss. Number 10. Crux Munich. Crux Munich, the proud recipient of the prestigious Best Club Music Award at the 2015 Munich Nightlife Awards, is a must-visit establishment conveniently located within walking distance from Marienplatz. Despite its relatively small size, the vigilant bouncers at Crux keep a close eye on the club's entrance. Once inside, patrons are greeted by a cozy interior adorned with soft lighting, creating an inviting atmosphere. The talented lineup of DJs at Crux curate an eclectic mix of music genres including hip-hop, electro, disco, and rock, ensuring there's something for everyone's taste. One of the club's notable features is its dedication to regularly introducing fresh talent alongside its resident DJs, guaranteeing a diverse and ever-evolving musical experience. For those seeking an alternative to Crown's Club, located at Ostbahnhof, Crux Munich stands out as the perfect choice, offering a vibrant blend of hip-hop, R&B, and black music. Number 9. Rote Sonne. Rote Sonne, located in the heart of the city, has been a beloved destination for dance enthusiasts since 2005. This electro and techno club has inherited the legacy of Ultraschall, a renowned techno institution from the 90s. In its opening year and twice thereafter, Rote Sonne was voted as one of the top clubs in Europe by readers of the Music Debug magazine. Till today, the venue at Maximiliansplatz remains a haven for those who value the quality of DJ sets and performances over a flashy setting. With its unassuming and authentic ambiance, the club embraces an industrial basement aesthetic, featuring winding rooms with black graffiti-covered walls, 2 bars, and an underground charm that captivates visitors. It's a no-frills destination that focuses on delivering exceptional music experiences rather than extravagant surroundings. Number 8. Pacha. Pacha Munich, part of the esteemed nightclub chain, is a go-to destination for party animals seeking an unforgettable experience. Strategically located near Karlsplatz, Stachus, this vibrant club boasts a trendy and stylish interior that sets the perfect atmosphere. Within its doors, you'll discover a cozy lounge area, inviting you to relax and indulge in a wide array of beverages from their well-stocked bar. For those with a burning desire to hit the dance floor, Pacha Munich offers an electrifying space where you can let loose and move to the irresistible beats. Whether you're planning a lively night out with friends or organizing a private celebration, this club provides the option to rent its premises, guaranteeing an exclusive setting for an unforgettable event. Prepare yourself for an incredible experience at Pacha Munich, where the party never stops. Number 7. Charlie. Charlie, self-proclaimed as the happiest bar in town, truly lives up to its name. It offers a carefree atmosphere that makes it easy to let loose and have a great time, whether it's sharing a playful kiss or simply enjoying the buzzing energy. However, it's worth noting that the door staff may adhere to certain stereotypes, employing a significant number of silence boys to maintain order and ensure good relations with the neighbors. Once inside, as long as you're friendly and steady on your feet, the bouncers will ease their stern gaze, allowing you to join the lively crowd of partygoers. Descending the stairs into the basement, reminiscent of nostalgic school parties, you'll find yourself immersed in an ambiance curated by the same team that once operated the iconic Kong Club. Expect cool and unique lighting that adds to the overall experience. Number 6. Harry Klein. Harry Klein Munich has earned a solid reputation in the city for its exceptional booking of electro and R&B artists. The club's impressive track record includes winning the Best Booking category at the 2015 Munich Nightlife Awards and achieving top 5 rankings in multiple other categories. With 2 floors and large screens adorning the walls for captivating visuals, these features have become signature elements of Harry Klein. The club's name was inspired by the iconic character Harry Klein from the popular German detective series Inspector Derek. In order to protect the surrounding neighborhood from external noise, a unique soundproof room-within-a-room construction was implemented when Harry Klein reopened in 2010. However, inside this innovative design, an optimal sound experience awaits partygoers. Every aspect of the club, from its architectural layout to the projections and bar setup, is meticulously crafted to create an ideal environment for a memorable night of celebration. Number 5. Alte Galerie. Alte Galerie, Tucked away beneath the vibrant streets of Schwabing is a hidden gem that stands out amidst the abundance of trendy and upscale bars in the area. A welcome refuge for night owls, this cozy underground venue offers a refreshing escape from the pricier drink options found nearby. Situated conveniently close to the bustling Leopoldstrasse, Alte Galerie entices visitors with its enticing drink specials that guarantee a lively atmosphere on its intimate dance floor. The skilled DJ curates a dynamic playlist, blending the best of hip-hop and house music to keep the crowd moving and grooving all night long. With themed nights, special DJ performances, and happy hours that add to the overall allure, Alte Galerie has become a popular destination for those seeking an unforgettable and enjoyable night out. Number 4. Bahnwärter Thiel. Bahnwärter Thiel, affectionately named after an imaginary railway guard, assumes its role as a stalwart custodian of the vibrant party scene in Vierhof, and thankfully, it shows no signs of slowing down. With its recent extension, this venue is poised to oversee the revelries for at least the next 5 years, ensuring a continued haven for partygoers and culture enthusiasts alike. Beyond its renowned container club, Bahnwärter Thiel embraces an array of artistic expressions, providing a platform for both grand-scale events and intimate showcases of Munich's local talent. The eclectic mix of theater performances, captivating concerts, captivating readings, and pulsating club nights sets the stage for innovative cultural concepts to flourish. At Bahnwärter Thiel, imagination takes flight, transcending boundaries and sparking a sense of wonder, making every visit a memorable journey into a realm where creativity knows no limits. Number 3. Milchbar Munich. Milchbar Munich has become an integral part of Munich's nightlife, tracing its roots back to a humble milkshake bar at Ostbahnhof. Over the years, it has transformed into a thriving club that holds a special place in the city's mainstream scene. Conveniently situated near Sendlinger Tor, Milchbar is easily accessible via public transportation, making it a popular choice for partygoers. Its proximity to other renowned venues like Eden, Chord, and Lovers Clubs adds to its allure. With its doors open 7 days a week, the club offers non-stop excitement, especially on weekends when the party extends until 9 a.m. One notable highlight is the energetic 90s night held every Thursday, where guests can relive the nostalgic tunes of that era. Milchbar Munich guarantees an unforgettable experience, whether you're seeking a classic night out or a dose of throwback nostalgia that will keep you dancing till the early hours. Number 2. Blitz Music Club. Blitz, the newest addition to the esteemed hype club chain, aims to be a haven for music enthusiasts. The club owners have gone above and beyond, sparing no expense or effort to provide a top-notch sound experience. Equipped with a state-of-the-art sound system, including the remarkable 4-point Incubus system by Void Acoustics, Blitz ensures an unforgettable auditory journey. Enhancing the sound further is the innovative room-in-room structure, ingeniously crafted by the talented architects at Studio Knack in Munich. This unique design not only contributes to the club's exceptional acoustics, but also adds to the overall ambiance. At Blitz, the focus is firmly placed on creating an immersive and unparalleled music experience. So whether you're a devoted audiophile or simply seeking a place to dance and groove to the beats, Blitz promises to deliver a sonic adventure like no other. Number 1. Neuraum Munich. Neuraum Munich stands as one of the city's most spacious clubs, boasting impressive dimensions. With 3 expansive dance floors, the largest spanning 600 square meters, each area offers a distinct musical experience. Additionally, Neuraum features a dedicated German Schlager bar, catering to a variety of tastes. The club further extends its appeal with a sizable outdoor area, providing a refreshing space for revelers to enjoy. Opening its doors at 10:30 p.m. on Fridays and Saturdays, Neuraum operates without a fixed closing time, ensuring the party can continue into the early hours. Notably, the club remains open on the day preceding a holiday, adding to its accessibility and vibrant atmosphere. As long as individuals conduct themselves appropriately and dress tastefully, gaining entry through the doors of Neuraum is a hassle-free experience. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.